Tell me some best practices that have helped your brokerage/team grow by using Follow Up Boss.
I think really making sure that you understand your sources, where things are coming from, making sure you're breaking down how those are getting into the system so it's clear where things are coming from. So for example, everything having a unique phone number. It's such a small thing. Follow Up Boss makes it super easy to do this. You can reach out to your success manager and they can help you do this too if this isn't something you have set up for your account. But having that phone number that when a lead calls from realtor.com, you know exactly that it's from realtor.com. Or if they're calling from your website, you know they're calling from your website or from Google, because it will help you know if where you're placing your marketing dollars makes sense. That's number one. The other piece for us is your people have to know how to use the system. So you have to you have to find the resources, and it's daily. So every time we change something, we're a cruise ship now. So like with 60 people, you're not jet skiing. You have to figure out how to teach 60 people what the change was. My favorite trick for that is we simplified all of our Follow Up Boss down into like 2 success pieces for them. It was get the source right and get the stage right. Because if they will do that for us, the stage can trigger an automation, which will start an action plan. So every stage we have, every one of them has an action plan attached to it. So that when an agent says, just kidding, this is not an A buyer, they're actually a C buyer, they're a nurture plan kicks in, and all the agent had to do was move the stage. The stage was the easiest way for us to teach people, move one thing, the rest will start, and then follow your tasks. So if a task pops up or if a client is getting an auto email and you're getting the notification, that's all the better. But all they had to do was change the stage.